How to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So first, you just have to go to adobe.com, and then here you will see options and features like PDF and signatures. You just have to click this one here. So when you tap this PDF and signatures, you will see here options, and you just have to go directly to online tools, scroll down and look for compressed PDF. Okay, tap this one. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply compress PDF size, select a file from your device, for example, this one here, and then click open. And then, of course, you have to select high because you have three options here: high, medium, low. You have to click high and then tap compress and then wait for a couple of seconds. Okay. And once done, all you have to do is to simply click download. So your compressed PDF is ready. Click download. And you just have to go to your download file or folder. Open this one here. And this is what it looks like. So it didn't lose the quality of your PDF. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.